Hello viewers, this is Norna Khatri from class 10. So I think I have thought why not I will make a video on schizophrenia. So I'm a patient of schizophrenia. What is this? It is a kind of mental illness in which you start to feel that there are auditory hallucinations. You feel that someone is speaking with you, but in reality there is no one. Yes, you feel that someone is speaking with you, but there is no one in reality. These voices come from your mind. There are two chemicals in our mind, dopamine and serotonin. So when these two chemicals generate in a lot amount, then we are about to listen different kinds of voices. And these voices can be threatening, they can give you threats, they will also say that we love you, or we will abduct you one day, or you can feel that they are commenting you on every time. But you know, you don't have to fear from these type of voices, because these voices come from the mind. I think from this part of mind. So you are able to listen anything in the world. Suppose I'm speaking with you, right? So if I'm speaking with you, so how can you listen my voices? Because of two chemicals, serotonin and dopamine. Just because of these two chemicals, you are able to listen my voice. And if these two chemicals generate in a lot amount, then you are about to fall in category of schizophrenia. So many people think that these voices are of ghost. No, it's not reality. I also feel that these voices are of ghost, but the voices can say you that we are ghosts, we are demons. But don't worry, you don't need to fear from these voices, because these are just a creation of your mind. Okay. So what am I feeling? Well, I'm a patient of schizophrenia, and you know, I just feel one thing, that how will I fight with this? Because my name is Lorna, and the meaning of Lorna is victory. So I never try to lose. I never lose. Because I never lose from anything. So yes, I'm fighting with it, but no, I'm feeling that it's not an easy for any other person to fight with it. Why? Suppose there are a lot of persons. Okay, suppose there is only one person and you, and that person is hitting you with an eraser a lot. So will you feel hurt? Yes, of course you'll feel hurt, but you have to struggle with it. You have to, if you want to lead a normal life, if you want to live a normal life, so you have to fight with it. So I think I'm just telling my experience. I'm just saying what am I feeling here. So I'm feeling, sometimes I feel sad, sometimes I feel anger, sometimes I feel too much happiness. So I don't need to fear from these things, because these are just these things are just of creation of our mind. So okay, this is an imagination. If I tell about this is just an imagination of your mind and thing. I think, there are some parts of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia can be of different types. First, it can be auditory hallucinations, means you are about to listen different types of voices speaking with you, but they are not in reality. So uh, there are also visual hallucinations, means in schizophrenia it can be possible that you are about to listen the voices, and of course you can also see that person, which is not in reality. And except you, no one can see that person, because your mind made that person. Okay. So schizophrenia can be of, I don't know how many types of it, but I just know two parts of schizophrenia. First, auditory hallucination, second, visual hallucination. And one more thing which I feel, that is confusion. uh, when a person in reality is speaking anything with me, and and suppose there's a person who's just speaking with you. Suppose there's a teacher who's just speaking with you, who's trying to tell the concept to you or to the other class. So in reality, the voice of real person and the voice of illusion mix together and make you confused. And I think in this type of situation, you are about to feel so insecure or so depressed, because you are not able to understand the voice of the things of others. And in this disease, okay, it's not a disease, I don't know what is this, but I just know that if you want, I just know that I think sometimes you will feel confusion, just like me. But there are a lot medicines to cure this disease, psychiatric medicines like olanzapine, clonazepam, aripiprazole. I just know these 3 or 4 medicines to treat schizophrenia. Okay, so you know, in the starting days, I feel that of course it's so hard. It's so hard to fight with it. But now I'm feeling that it's not an it's just an easy task to fight with it if you have right cure, if you have doctors. Well, psychiatrists will help in these cases. So because this is a psychiatric problem. So okay, after many days, I think you're about to. I think this will become your habit to uh, to le- to live a life with schizophrenia, just like me. I also have the habit to live with it, but sometimes I lose confidence. So because sometimes I lose confidence, at the time I'm not able to do this very easily. So one thing which I want to tell you, oh yeah, I think one thing which can make me happy is okay. Bye.